बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो रहमान और रहीम है।
इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल्लज़ी खलक़।
पढ़ो ए नबी अपने रब के नाम के साथ जिसने पैदा किया।
खलक़ल इंसान मिन अलक़।
जमे हुए खून के एक लोथड़े से इंसान की तख्लीक की।
इक़रा व रब्बुकल अकरम।
पढ़ो और तुम्हारा रब बड़ा करीम है।
अल्लज़ी अल्लम बिल क़लम।
जिसने कलम के जरिए से इल्म सिखाया।
अल्लमल इंसान मा लम यअलम।
इंसान को वो इल्म दिया जिसे वो न जानता था।
Assalamu alaikum dear students, we start our class with the name of Allah who is most beneficent and most merciful. We solve in our previous video we solved chapter number 2. Now today we will solve exercise number 3.1 chapter number 3 logarithm. Now in exercise number 3.1 question number 1 to 8 in which the question are given in the form of ordinary form and we convert this ordinary form into a log form, into a scientific notation form. So question number 1 to 8 we change this ordinary form into a scientific form. Next question number exercise number 3.1 question number 1 to 8. Question number 1 to 8 in which the question are given in ordinary form. For example 0.000756 we convert this ordinary form into a scientific form. Now first of all we will understand some important concept regarding the point positions. The point characteristic, to find a characteristic, the position of the point is after a single digit which will start 1 2 3 4 point 5 point 6 point 7 point 8 point 9 point. The position of the point after a digit, before a digit not, after the digit. So in this question the point is after before a 0. The point is written before a 0. So point will move from left to right and jump all these zeros and put it down after the 7. The position of point is after the 7 because 7 is a single digit and 75 is a double digit figure. So you will put this point after this number. Which number? 7. 7 is a single digit number. So write 1 2 3 4 means 7.56 multiply 10 raised power how many numbers where this point jump 1 2 3 and 4. The power become -4. When the power will negative, the answer is the position of the point is start from left to right, the power become a negative. The next example is 752.1. We write this ordinary form, we convert this ordinary form into a scientific form. Now, where is the point? Point is written after 3 digit. So, we we shifted this point after the 7 because 7 is a single digit. So how many digit that the point will jump? The point will jump 2 digit. So the power become +2 and the value is written in this form 7.521. Here is the value which is written in the scientific form. Okay. Next example is 6.52. We convert this ordinary form into a scientific form. Here we check, first we check the point positioning. The point is written already in actual position. Actual position means single digit. After this single digit, the point will come. Here 6 is a single digit and the point will come after this digit. So, here we write this value in scientific form is because the power characteristic become a 0. When will we write the power characteristic 0? The answer is when a point is already written is right after the single digit के बाद. ठीक है. Question number 1 to 8, you will complete 1 to 8 in which you convert ordinary form into a scientific form. The procedure you will understand easily. Now convert scientific form. Now convert scientific form into ordinary form. Question number 9 to 12. 9 to 12. Question number 9 to 12 solved by this examples. What is the example? The example is 3 multiply 10 की power, 3 multiply 10 raised power plus 8 या plus 5. Now convert this scientific form into ordinary form. So single digit 3, 10 raised power 5. So we write 5 digits. And if we write 5 times 0. How many times of 0? 5 times we will write 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the value which is written in scientific form, the answer is 3 lakh. So that value will also be written as scientific form. Yeah, we'll convert into a scientific form. Next example, 7.521 multiply 10 raised power 3 या 6. 7 कर लें. So it is a scientific form, we convert into an ordinary form. So how can we convert this scientific form into an ordinary form? So first of all, we shifted that point after these values. We will shift this point after these values. So the value become 7521. 7521 multi. What is the power of? What is the characteristic of? Here the characteristic of power is 7. So how many digit you will jump this point? 1, 2, 3. So the result is 3. So what we'll do? We will subtract 7 and the value means 3. You will shift this point after 3 digits, so you will write the answer is 7 minus 3 become a 4. The output is 4. 7 minus 3, the output will be a 4. So after this value you will put 4 zeros. The answer is this. So we will also write this value in this form. How can? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is effectively correct. Now next example is 6.527 multiply 10 raised power minus 3. Now convert this value into an ordinary form. So first of all we check the power. Power is written in the negative form. So we will write all these values ignoring point. 7256. The point will shift from right to left. How can we say that the point, how can we find that the point will move from right to left? Because of the power sign. The power sign show that the power sign negative show that you will shift this point from right to left. So first shift point from single digit, it means that point will jump 1 digit. So 3 minus 1 become minus 2. Yani minus 3 plus 1. Plus 1 where from plus 1 come? The plus 1 come from this type of activity. Point shifted from right to left. It means you will put that point before 6. So the result will be a minus 2. It means that you will put 2 0 and then write a point. So the answer will be 0.006527. क्लियर? इसको ज़रा यूँ समझ लीजिए कि एक सिंगल डिजिट है, उसकी 10 की पावर 5 मीन्स अगर सिंगल डिजिट लिखा हुआ है तो 5 मीन्स प्लस का 5 है तो 5 0 लगा देंगे, 6 है तो 6 0 आप शो कर देंगे. इसी तरीके से अगर 10 की पावर 7 है मीन्स तो फिर आप देखें कि पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट लिखे हुए, 1 2 3. तो 7 में से जितने डिजिट लिखे हुए ना पॉइंट के बाद उसको आप माइनस कर देंगे, यानी 7 माइनस 3, तो आंसर आया 4. इट मीन्स ये वैल्यू आप लिखेंगे और उसके बाद 4 0 आप ऐड कर लो. ये है इसका प्रोसेस. इधर आप माइनस की बात कर लें, यहाँ पे पॉइंट 6 के बाद है, पावर अगर नेगेटिव में तो इट मीन्स के पॉइंट ने राइट से लेफ्ट शिफ्ट होना है. तो पॉइंट को जब मैंने फर्स्ट डिजिट के से पहले एक डिजिट मूव करवाया, कितने डिजिट मूव करा? 1. तो 3 में से 1 को आप माइनस करेंगे तो 2 बचेगा। तो उस 2 यानी 2 हमें ये बताएगा कि आपने ये वैल्यू लिखने के बाद इसके 6 से पहले कितने ज़ीरो लगा देने, 2, फिर आपने पॉइंट लगा दें, तो ये इसका कंप्लीशन हो जाएगा। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 से 12, सो in question number 9 to 12 you convert scientific form into a ordinary form, and also question number 13 and question number 14. In question number 13 the answer is given, the question is given in a 3500 kilometer. You convert this kilometer into a, yani the answer will come in a centimeter form, yani kilometer will convert into a centimeter. How can we will convert this kilometer into a centimeter? Question number 14 is also the value is in a ordinary form, 15,000 kilometer, sorry 15,000 degree centigrade, yani 1 crore 50 lakh 1 crore 50 lakh degree centigrade. You convert this value into a or scientific form. So where is the point? Whatever a point doesn't show, the point will write after. You understood the point, the positioning of the point is after these values. Here where is the point? The point is the point positioning after these values. So we will convert this ordinary form here, we will write this ordinary form into a scientific form. So 1.5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1.5. If the values in the form of 0, if the digit is 0, all the digits are zeros after a number, then you will not write all these values again in the scientific form. So put the multiplication sign and write 10 power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। अगर एक वैल्यूज़ के अंदर पॉइंट मौजूद ना हो तो सबसे आखिर में होगा, उसको फिर आपने क्या करना होगा, फर्स्ट डिजिट के बाद पुट करना होगा। जितनी डिजिट इस पॉइंट को जम करवाओगे उतनी वो उसकी पावर बन जाएगा। तो 1.5 मल्टीप्लाई 10 रेज़ की पावर हाउ मैनी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 इज अ पावर 1.8 मल्टीप्लाई 10 रेज़ की पावर 8 degree centigrade. Here the answer. So you will complete all these questions in your fair copy, and also a practice of these examples which are written on the board. So next exercise number 2, in which we convert all the log form into a exponential form and exponential form into a log form. In exercise number 3.2, the first question is that in which question number 1 to 5 we convert log form into a exponential form. The question are written in the exponential form, and we will convert these exponential form into a log form. The question are given in exponential form. So write question 1 to 5. The question are in exponential form, and you convert into a log form. Now write question number 2 from this exercise. The question is minus 7 is the power of 2 is equal to 1 over 128. Now what is exponential form and what is log form? The exponential form, we write it in a full form, exponential. What is exponential? Y is the power of a is equal to x. And what is logarithm form? Logarithm form log x to the base a is equal to y. Here two term, exponential form and logarithm form, you will memorize these formulas before starting this exercise number 3.2. So here question number 1 to 5, we convert this exponential form into a log form. So first of all, we will check the question. If the question is written in the exponential form, then we write the exponential form here. Using exponential form. Using exponential form. What is exponential form? Y is the power of a is equal to x. Now we compare the question and exponential form. Here write a sentence, compare above both. So compare the value of a is 2, compare the value of y is equal to -7 and the value of x become 1/128. Why we are comparing these values? Because we find the value of a, y, x, then find the value of a. After finding the value of a, y, x, we will put these values in a logarithm form. Why we will put these values in a logarithm form? Just in a given question, you will see in a question that you will convert exponential form into a log form. Now using log form. What is log form? Log x to the base a is equal to y. After write the logarithm form, the sentence is putting the values of a, x and y in logarithm form. What is logarithm? Log x to the base a is equal to y. So first we write log. What is the value of a? The value of a is 2. So put the value of 2 instead of a. X. What is the value of x? The value of x is equal to 1/128 is equal to y. What is the value of y? The value of y is -7. Here we come the answer. Finally got the answer. The answer is log 1/128 to the base 2 is equal to -7. So question number 1 to 5, where we convert exponential form into a log form. Now in question number 6 to 10, we convert log form into a exponential form. So question number, here question example, log 1/a to the base 2 is equal to -3. First we will check the question, either a question in a log form or exponential form. So here we looked at the question is given in the log form. So first of all we write the logarithm form first. Using log form, log x to the base a is equal to y. Compare both above. Why we compare? Just because to find the value of a, x and y. So the value we compare and we got the values of a, x and y. The value of a is 2, x is 1/8 and y is equal to -3. So after finding the value of a, x and y, we will check the question again, in which the log form convert into a, in which the question asks us that you will convert this log form into a exponential form. So write the exponential form here. Exponential form. Y is the power of a is equal to x. So write a sentence. Putting the values of a, x and y in exponential form. In exponential form. Here, first of all, we put the value of a. What is the value of a? The value of a is equal to 2. What is the value of y? The value of y is minus 3. Equal. What is the value of x? The value of x is 1 over 8. So put the value of x is equal to 1 over 8. Here, finally we got the answer, which is written in exponential form. In question number question number 6 to 10, we convert log form into an exponential form. So 1 to 10 we complete. Now question number 11. Here we write again log form formula and exponential formula, which is also used in these questions. Now question number 11. Find the value of x if the value is in logarithm form. Log 32 log x to the base 32 is equal to minus 1 over 5. And you will find the value of x in question number 11, 12, 13. You will only find the value of x in this question. So I will solve question number 11 among these questions. The question number 11. So first of all, we will check that either a question is given in either a question is written in the log form or exponential form. The question is written in a log form. So first of all, we write a log form. Why we write a log form first? Because we find the value of a, x and y. So using log form, what is the log form? Log x to the base a is equal to y. Compare above both and got a value of ax and y. Get a value a. The value of a is equal to 32. Compare x. Here, the value of x is equal also x. So finally, it showed that you will find the value of x. What is the value of y? If comparing, the value of y is minus 1 over 5. So after finding the value of a, x and y, we will use exponential formula. Exponential formula. Y is the power of a is equal to x. So putting the values of a, x and y in exponential form. The value of a is 32 What is the value of y? The value of y is equal to minus 1 over 5 is equal x. X remains same because we find the value of x. Here x, the value of x is also x, so we find the value of x. X is written as this. Here we convert this base. 32 is the base of minus 1 over 5. Here the base of 32, we find, first of all, we find the LCM of 32. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2. How many times of 2? There are 5 times of 2. The factor of 32 is 5 times of 2. Here we write the LCM of 32, 5 times 2, 1 2 3 4 5. Whole power minus 1 over 5 is equal to 7. How many times? If the base, the rule is, if the base are same and multiply, then the power will be added among each other. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. The power. Now add these powers. We got the answer 5 minus 1 over 5. Here the denominator and the power will cancel each other. The power of this 2 is become only minus 1. Here the power of the base is minus negative. So power will change. First we convert this negative sign into a positive sign. How can we change this sign? We can change this sign by reciprocal of the base. Here 1 reciprocal the base, the power become a positive value. Here is the answer of x. X is equal to 1 over 2. So question number 1 to 12 13. In homework question is 12 and 13, in which we calculate we will find the value of x as per pattern. Now question number 11 to 15. 11 to 14 to 15. Question number 14, 15 and 16. So we will solve question number 15 and 14 and 16 same as the process of 14 and 16 same as question number 15. So question number 15, where log 1 over 25 to the base a is equal to minus 3 over 2 over 3. Here in question number 14, 15, 16 we find the value of a. First of all we will check the question either is written in the log form or exponential form. Here the question is written in the log form. So first of all we will write log form using log form. Here is the log form. Log x to the base a is equal to y. Now compare both above. Compare a is equal to a. So here we find the value of a and write a question mark. X, the value of x is equal to 1 over 25. Equal. Here compare a y. Here the value of y is equal to minus 2 over 3. Now finding the value of y, we will put all these values in exponential form. So using your right exponential form. A, the power of a, y is the power of a is equal to x. Here we put the values of a, x, y in exponential formula. So a, the value of a is also a, where we find the value of a is equal y is the power, the value of y is equal to minus 2 over 3 is equal to x, the value of x is equal to 1 over 25. Here we find the value of y and the power of a is 2 over 3. So when the value of, यानी किसी भी अल्फ़ाबेट की अगर आपने वैल्यूज़ मालूम करनी है किसी भी अल्फ़ाबेट की, तो उसकी पावर क्या होनी चाहिए? 1. द पावर शुड ऑलवेज बी अ पॉजिटिव 1. हियर द पावर is written in the denominator, यानी -2/3. We convert या we change this power into a 1. How can we convert this denominator या fraction power into a 1? First, write same as it is. You copy this and convert these values. First of all, you will convert these values in a simple form. 25 is the square of 5. Here, the power of 5 is positive 2. We shift this power into denominator. So the power of base become a -2. Positive 2 become a -2 if we can change, if we shifted the denominator value into a nominator value. Here the process will start, that we will become the power of -2/3 into a 1 digit, very single 1 values become. How can we convert? We will convert this power into a 1. For example, 3/3, 2/3. अब इसको 1 में कन्वर्ट करना है तो क्या करेंगे? इसी वैल्यू का आप क्या कर लेंगे? रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे, यानी इस पावर के साथ आपने इस वैल्यू को क्या करना होगा? मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. यानी किसी भी वैल्यू को +1 करने के लिए उसी वैल्यू का आपने क्या कर देना है? रेसिप्रोकल कर देना है, ताकि 3 से देखें कैंसिल होगा तो पावर क्या आ जाएगी? +1. बेसिकली आपने क्या बनानी है? पावर +1 बनानी है. उसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे? उसी पावर को आपने रेसिप्रोकल में लिख लेना है. लेकिन ये काम आपने खुद से करना है ना, तो दोनों तरफ करेंगे. यानी इक्वल के इस तरफ जो बेस है और इक्वल के इस तरफ जो बेस है, उनकी दोनों पावर के साथ आपने -3/2 को क्या करना होगा? मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. तभी यहाँ आपको एक ही पावर 1 मिलेगी. सो मल्टीप्लाइंग -3/2 बोथ साइड विद पावर. पावर के साथ, सिर्फ पावर के साथ आपने -3/2 को मल्टीप्लाई कर. हियर -2/3 is a power of A, multiply -3/2, multiplying power with -3/2, and here 5 power -2, and also multiply -3/2. After multiply the -3/2 with power on both sides, then the result become the 2 cancel, 3 1s are 3, minus +1. So the power of A become a positive 1 is equal to 2 cancel, minus plus 5 cube. The value 5 cube, which is also be written as 3 times multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Yes, answer. Now you will also be completed these both question number 14 and 16, same as question number 15. Now question number 17 and 17, 18 and 19. 17, log 25 to the base under root 5 is equal to y. Solution. Again same process which are also be done in question number 11 to 16. First of all, using log form, log x to the base a is equal to y. Compare both. In question number 17, 18, 19, we will find the value of y. Compare both above. So find the value of a. A is equal to under root 5. value of x is equal to 25, the value of y you will find the value of y. So using exponential form, y is the power of a is equal to x. So putting the value of a, x and y in exponential form. Exponential form. A, the value of a is equal to under root 5. Y you will find the value of y. So put the y as it is equal to x. The value of x is equal to 25. So put the value of x 25. So here you find the value of y, and y is written in a form of power. So the first step is you will convert these both values in a same base, यानी इन दोनों वैल्यू को आपने सेम बेस में कन्वर्ट करना है और y की वैल्यू मालूम करनी. y किस फॉर्म में लिखा है? पावर की फॉर्म. तो अगर वेरिएबल पावर में आ जाए तो उसकी बेस को एक जैसा बनाना होता है, सेम करनी. हाउ कैन वी मेक? वी कैन मेक वी राइट या वी convert the radical symbol into a single value. The value of root is equal to, root की वैल्यू क्या होती है? 1/2. So we convert the root sign into a single value 1/2. Here the power 25. 25 is the square of 25. So here the base becomes same. So by equating base, तो base same है, तो जब base same है तो फिर power भी equal. Then the power will also be equal. 2 here, 2 is divide in the form of divide. We can, when we shift other side, we shift 2 to right hand side, the 2 will multiply by 2 to the 4. Here is the answer, and so you will complete 18 and 19 same as question number 17. Here in this video, this lecture, we will complete 3.1 and 3.2. Yes class. So we will start our new exercise 3.4. In 3.4 we find the value of log. There are two methods to find the value of log: by a calculator and by a table which are draw in your book, page number 477 to 478 is also been given. In 3.4, here is some examples. 3, 8, 2, 1. Here, where is the point? The point is written after these values 3, 8, 2, 1. So first of all, we also discuss this concept in exercise number 3.1, where we find the value of characteristic. So the characteristic tell us that what is where the point, where is the positioning of that point. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is the numbers. Here are numbers which tell us that where is the point position after the digit 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4. Not a 0 and not a 10. So here, where is the point? Point is written after these values. So we will shift the point after the single digit. What is the single digit? Here the single digit is 3. So we will shift this point after a single digit, yani first digit. How many digit the point will jump? 1, 2, 3. So the characteristic become 3. Then find the Mantissa. If you are find the value by using log table, then you will calculate two main terminology, characteristic and Mantissa. Find the value of characteristic and find the value of Mantissa. Characteristic, you can find the value of characteristic by changing the position of a point after a single digit. And how can we find the value of Mantissa? We will find the value of a Mantissa from a given table which are also given in a book, page number 477. So first we will solve another examples in which we find the value of characteristic. Some examples we will discuss in these videos. The next example is 43.8. 43.8. What is the characteristic here? The point is after the 2 digit. So first of all, we will shift this point after a single digit. 4 is a single digit. So we will put this point and write also a single digit. How many digit the point will jump? 1. So the characteristic become a 1. 4.38. What is the characteristic of this value? The characteristic is, first of all, we check the point positioning. Either a point is a ordinary form, means either it is written, it is right after single digit or not. Here we will check. First we will check. When I check that the point is written after a single digit, so the characteristic become a 0. Next example, 0.00231. What is the characteristic of this value? So first we check the position of the point. Here the point is written after and before 0. So first of all, we will move this point after a single digit. Single digit, what is a single digit here? 2 is a single digit. So we will convert, we will shift this point after a 2. So how many digit that point will jump to 2? 1, 2 and 3. In a log form, the minus sign will be written as bar and read as bar 3. So the characteristic is bar 3. When will the characteristic bar 3? The point moved from left to right. When the point positioning and point convert from left to right, we will show the characteristic in the negative form and will read 3 bar. So write the, and how can we find the Mantissa? With the help of a table, we will find the value of a Mantissa. So first of all, we will open up page number 477 where log table are given. In which log table are given? The presentation of a log table is here, where the log table will vertically start from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 99. And here is a horizontal form where 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then again a small table is called a difference table, which start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here from which digit the table will start? The table will start from 10 and goes to 99. So finding the value of a Mentesa, we will open a table and find the digit 38. Why we will not taking the digit 3? Because the table will start from a 2 digit, yani 10, not 9, not 4, not 5, not 6, start from 10. So taking 2 digit and become a 38. So 38, where is 38 here? Here, 38. So then 38, after 38 the digit is 2. Finding the value of 38 in 2. 2 is written in a horizontal form. So go down. Here is a value of 38. 38 के टेबल यानी कि 38 के 2 में देखें तो एक वैल्यू आएगी यहाँ पे, ठीक. लेट सपोज एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे मैं ले लेता हूँ यहाँ पे 3271. 38 के 2 में देखा वैल्यू है 3271. देन जो फोर्थ वैल्यू ऑफ 1 है उसको आपने कहाँ देखें, उसको आपने यहाँ से देखें, ये डिफरेंस टेबल कहलाता है. यहाँ पर देखें 1 के कॉलम में आएंगे, इसी की जो यहाँ पे नंबर मिलेगा आपको यहाँ पे वो इसमें क्या हो जाएगा, ऐड हो जाएगा. लेट सपोज कोई भी नंबर यहाँ पर आ गया 3 और यहाँ आ गई वैल्यू 3271, ये आ गया, ये इसमें ऐड हो जाएगा. जब ऐड होगा तो क्या बन जाएगा 3274. So the log value will return. First of all we will write the value of characteristic in 3, then put the point and write the value of a Mentesa which is calculated from a table 3274. Here is the log answer. First of all, before a point, that number show the characteristic, and after the point these values represent a Mentesa. The combination of characteristic and Mentesa, we will find the value of a log. Here we will check the value of 43 in 8. Here we will check the value of 43 in 8. Here the value, we will check the value of 23 in 1. So we will find easily we will find the value of a characteristic. Here next example. For example, here is a single digit. How can we find the value of a single digit in a log table? Because if it also tell us that the table will also start from a 10, not a 1. So we will add 1 0 after the 9. So the number become a 90. Here is a 90. How can we find the value of 90? In which column we will find the value of a 90? So here we will write another 0. The value become a 900. So what is the value? 90. 90 के 0 में आप देखेंगे आप कि 90 के 0 में क्या आएगा. हाँ, पहले तो इसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है, जब कुछ नहीं तो यहाँ यानी पॉइंट अपने फर्स्ट डिजिट के बाद है, इट मीन्स के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है 0. जब मेंटेसा देखना होगा तो मेंटेसा के लिए यहाँ तो सिंगल डिजिट है, जबकि यहाँ कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, 10 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. ठीक है, 10 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. तो आपने क्या करना होगा, खुद से क्या लगा दिया 90. अब 90 के किस में देखूँ, ये भी एक सवाल है. जब कुछ ना हो तो फिर किस में देखा जाता है, 0. तो 90 के आप 0 में देखिए. तो here we will complete exercise number 3.4 where we find the value of a log by helping a characteristic and a Mentesa. So adding characteristic and Mentesa, we will find the value of a log. Table, here is a table which are given in on page number 47, 477 to 478. First table name is logarithm, the second table is anti-logarithm. So our next exercise is 3.5. 3.4 में exercise 3.4 you will complete all question number 1 to 15. You will also complete 1 to 15 of exercise number 3.4, where you find the value of a log by the help of the table, not the calculator. In question number 1, 3.5, you will find the anti-log. Question number 1 to 14. Question number 1 to 14. Log x, question number 1. Log x 2.2132. First of all, we will cancel the log here. So cancelling, the process of cancelling the log from that question, we taking anti-log on both sides. Taking anti-log on both sides. Taking anti-log on both sides. After taking anti-log, then check it out. Anti-log cancel log. The answer, the only simple x variable left. Copy the variable anti-log 2.2132. The anti-log table is also written in your book, page number 479 to 480. In anti-log table, which start from 0.00, 0.00, yani you will see the value of anti-log after the point. After the point means 21. The value of 21 in 3. For example, 3262. The value of 21 in a given table is, after see the horizontal column 3, is 3262, and the 4 digit is 2. So find the value of 2 in a difference table. The difference table show the value of 2 is 4. So adding both values here. In anti-log table, the positioning of point after a first single digit. Here the first single digit is 3, but not shown on that value. Here, before a point, the number is 2, which is show the positioning of the point. 2 means shift the point after the 2 digit. 1, 2. The answer become 326.6. 326.6. For example, here the value is 3 times 0 and 9. Find the anti-log. So first we select the 2 digit 00. Here we select the 2 digit 21. We select the 2 digit. The 2 digit is 00. We find the value of 00 in 0 and got a value 4321. Then find the value also in difference table. Difference table, the value is, for example, 5. So adding both values, 4, 3, 2, 6. Now put the point. The point position. This 0 tell us that the positioning of point is already there. अगर सवाल में देखिएगा 00 के 0 में आपने टेबल से वैल्यू देखी 4321, 9 के डिफरेंस में देखेंगे क्या वैल्यू आई 5, इन दोनों को आपने ऐड किया, आंसर आया। अगर पॉइंट से पहले 0 है तो पॉइंट फर्स्ट डिजिट के बाद ही आपने मेंशन कर देना है। अगर 0 है अब इस सवाल में देखें तो 2 था, एंटी लॉग में पॉइंट याद रखिएगा फर्स्ट डिजिट के बाद होता है, उसकी पोजीशनिंग याद रखिएगा, शो नहीं किया जाता। अब यहीं से आपने या लेफ्ट की तरफ मूव कराएं या राइट की तरफ मूव कराएं, इस जगह से, यानी फर्स्ट डिजिट के बाद। अब ये प्लस का 2 है तो आपने इसको कहाँ से मूव कराएंगे, लेफ्ट से राइट, ये देखिए। और अगर यहाँ माइनस आ जाए, जैसे लेट सपोज 2 बार 0179, 2 डिजिट का पेयर उठाया, 01 के 7 में चेक किया तो लेट सपोज 4 5 4 2 3 आ। फिर 9 कहाँ से मिलेगा, डिफरेंस टेबल से आपने देखना है, डिफरेंस टेबल से इसकी वैल्यू आ गई 7, तो 5 4 3 0 आ गई। अब पॉइंट लगाना है, तो पॉइंट लगाने के लिए यहाँ पर देखें पॉइंट से पहले क्या लिखा हुआ है, बार 2 मीन्स नेगेटिव, यानी पॉइंट को राइट से लेफ्ट आपने मूव करवाना होगा। ये देखिए, अब पॉइंट एंटी लॉग में फर्स्ट डिजिट के बाद होता है, अंडरस्टूड है। अब -2 है तो कितने डिजिट आप देखें, 1 2, यहाँ आपने क्या लगा देना, 0 लगा देना। ये एंटी लॉग भी आपका कंप्लीट हो गया। किस एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.5 में आपने क्या सिर्फ फाइंड करना है, एंटी लॉग फाइंड करना है। तो 3.4 लॉग एंड 3.5 एंटी लॉग, एंड फाइनली the last exercise number 3.6, in which we find the value of a log by the help of a table, not a calculator. 3.6 very important exercise according to board pattern. Question number 3, इसका year 2012 plus 2008. Question number 3, 0.87, 28.9 into 0.785. First of all, we put the name of these values. The name, we given the name here x, so you find the answer of these values by using log table, so taking log on both sides. By giving the term log on both sides, then find the, you will check the laws which are written here. When two values are multiplied and you find a log of these multiply values, so put the log symbol individually and write a sign of positive among them, between them. And when a number is written in a division form, so put the symbol and log m minus log an. If we find the value of a log, power value, if we find the value of a power value log, then we convert first of all the value yani the power before a log. जब दो वैल्यूज मल्टीप्लाई हो रही हो, दोनों के साथ लॉग के बीच में साइन का प्लस, जब दो वैल्यू डिवाइड हो रही हो, दोनों के साथ लॉग लिखें, साइन सिग्नेचर जो साइन आएगा वो माइनस का आएगा। और अगर किसी पावर यानी वैल्यू का आपने लॉग निकालना है और उसके ऊपर पावर आ जाए, तो पावर को लॉग से पहले लिखेंगे और फिर आप बेस का क्या निकाल लेंगे, लॉग फाइंड कर। तो सबसे पहले आप इधर देखें कि कौन सा रूल अप्लाई हो रहा है। इसको आप नॉमिनेटर के हैं और ये डिनोमिनेटर, यानी ये आपके पास पूरी की पूरी वैल्यू m है और ये n। इस पे जो डिवीजन का रूल आप अप्लाई कीजिए, अप्लाइंग डिवीजन लॉग फार्मूला, log am minus log an. Apply the formula on the values log x is equal log m, फर्स्ट वैल्यू का आपने log का नाम दिया m, log 0.87 माइनस log डिनोमिनेटर वैल्यू 28.9 into 0.785. Here you will see that these both values are multiplied and you find a log of these values. So also write a multiple log formula. Log am plus log an. Log x log 0.87 minus, open a formula, log m means 28.9, formula sign, plus log n, the value of n is 0.785, and write a bracket, log 0.87 we multiply minus sign inside the values, minus log 28.9 minus plus minus log 0.785. So find a log of 0.87. So first of all, we find the value of characteristic and then Mantessa, and adding both values we will find the value of log. Here characteristic, the point position after a single digit means after a 8. How many times the digit will jump? To one time. Bar 1 means left to right, the point will move from left to right, so we will shift this point from left to right, means the characteristic become a minus. Bar 1 point 87, ignore 0 point, we will consider the value 87 and find the value 87 from a given table. The value of 87 is 9395 minus log 28.9. First of all, we find the characteristic. Here the characteristic is a positive one. Why? Because the point moved from right to left. So the characteristic is 1. 1 point. Ignore the point. When you will see the value from a table, so first we ignore the point and find the value of 28 in 9. 28 in 9. The value of 28 in 9 from a given table is 4609 minus. Here first we find the characteristic. The point move from left to right. The characteristic become a minus 1. One digit जा the 1. यहाँ bracket लगा. First we write the bracket because in here is a minus sign. What is the value of 70? The value of 78 in 5 is 8949. 8949. Log x बार 1, बार को अगर सिंपल वैल्यू में बार 1 वैल्यू नहीं, द वैल्यू ऑफ बार कन्वर्ट इनटू सिंपल वैल्यू. हाउ कैन वी convert bar value in a simple value? By adding minus 1 plus 0 point. We write minus 1 plus 0 point, minus 1 plus 0 point, and write 9395 as it is. 1.469 same as it is, minus here bar value, the bar value convert into a simple value. How can we convert bar value? We will write bar value in a simple value by writing a minus 1 plus 0 point. 8995 49. Log x -1 plus 0.9395, copy 4609, multiply by sign with these values, minus minus plus, minus plus minus, 0.8949. By adding and subtracting these values, the output is minus 1.4163. Here the value of log, the sign of a log value is minus. So we cannot find the value of antilog, yani we cannot find the value of x by using antilog. First of all, we convert this minus sign into a positive sign to get the answer. So here the characteristic, the value of characteristic -1. Now taking a preceding number means, यानी अगर पॉइंट से पहले जो भी नंबर माइनस में है उससे एक डिजिट आप बड़ा लेंगे. अब यहाँ पे पॉइंट से पहले क्या लिखा हुआ है 1, लेकिन वो किस में है, माइनस में. 1 से बड़ा डिजिट क्या लेंगे आप, 2. तो उसको आप ऐड भी करवाएंगे और सब्ट्रैक्ट भी करवाएंगे. किससे करवाएंगे, 2 से. अगर ये नेगेटिव में है, अगर लॉग की वैल्यू कैलकुलेशन के बाद माइनस में आएगी तब ये सेंटेंस है, और अगर नेगेटिव में नहीं आएगी तो डायरेक्ट आप एंटी लॉग ले सकते हैं इस वैल्यू को. लॉग एक्स, इस वाली वैल्यू को एज इट इज उतारें, 4163, ऐड करवा दी, एडिंग 2 एंड सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 2. जो सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 2 है उसको आप किस में लिख देंगे, बार में लिख देंगे. किस वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, बार वैल्यू में. और जो प्लस की वैल्यू उसको आपने क्या कर लेना, यहाँ ऐड कर लेना. उसको पॉइंट के बाद उसका आंसर लिखेंगे 5837. ये लॉग का आंसर. आप ये देखिए पहले किस वैल्यू में आया, नेगेटिव, उसको आपने पॉजिटिव, यानी अगर -0 आ जाए कैरेक्टरिस्टिक तो 0 से बड़ा नंबर आप क्या लेंगे, 1. -5 आ जाए तो -6 और +6 लेंगे. अगर पॉजिटिव आ जाए तो फिर ये स्टेप नहीं करते. ये जो आपके एडिंग और सब्ट्रैक्टिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट है तब आएगा जब यह माइनस का साइन हो. पॉजिटिव होगा तो डायरेक्ट आप क्या ले लेंगे, उसका एंटी लॉग ले लेंगे. ठीक है. एंटी लॉग लीजिए. एक ये है कि लॉग को जब वहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे तो क्या किस में कन्वर्ट होगा, एंटी लॉग में. 2 बार 5837. उसी तरीके से आपने टेबल में देखना, अब एंटी लॉग के टेबल में इस वैल्यू को देखें, बार 2.5837. टू फाइंड द वैल्यू इन of these x, to find the value of x in anti-log table, first of all we select 2 digit, यानी पॉइंट के बाद से टेबल में वैल्यू देखा जाती है एंटी-लॉग. तो 58 के किस में देखेंगे आप, 3 में. 58 के 3 में वैल्यू आए 3828. जब डिफरेंस टेबल में देखेंगे 7 के कॉलम में तो वैल्यू मिलेगी आपको 6, वो इसमें ऐड हो जाएगा 3834. Now put the point. तो रूल क्या है, पॉइंट से पहले क्या लिखा हुआ जी, बार. माइनस है पॉजिटिव, माइनस में पॉइंट एंटी लॉग में फर्स्ट डिजिट की बात होती है. यहाँ से कितने जी, 2 1 2. ये बना 0.03834. +2 होता तो 3 के बाद लिखते हैं यहाँ से. ये इसका आंसर. इस तरीके से आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 मुकम्मल किया. ये कॉन्सेप्ट 2-3 सवालों में आएगा कि जहाँ पर आपने एडिंग एंड सब्ट्रैक्टिंग करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज 23.60 होल पावर 1/2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8.719 होल पावर क्यूब होल डिवाइडेड बाय √69. First we name, suppose the given value as x, 23.60 whole power 1/2 multiply 8.719 whole power 3 under root 693. First we change the root symbol in a value form. Already the given, these both values are given in a ordinary power form. Copy as it is, whole divided by. To change the root value in a simple value, we convert, we eliminate this root symbol into a whole value 1/2. The value of root is 1/2. So find, you will find these values by using logarithm form. So taking log on both sides. Log x is equal to log 23.60 whole multiply by 1/2 multiply 8.719 whole power 3 whole divided by 693 whole power 1/2. Here these two values are multiply, so the multiply rule of log is log m multiply by n is equal to log am plus log an. So put this log individually. Log x is equal to log 23.60 plus log 8.719 whole power 3 whole divided by इसके अंदर ही आप ये दोनों रूल अप्लाई कर लें. देखिए दो नंबर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, एक डिवाइड हो रहा है. इन पर आप प्लस का रूल अप्लाई करेंगे और इस वाले रूट पर माइनस का रूल, ये नहीं, ये हो जाएगा माइनस लॉग 693 होल पावर 1/2. If we find the value of this value in 20, find the value of 23.60 by log. First of all, we change this power. We will write this power before a log. Means formula क्या है? Write a formula. If we find the value by using log, then the value is written in the form of power. Then shift the power before a log. Here. So this formula is applied on above values. Log x is equal to log, the power is written before a log 1/2 log 23.60. Here the power is already right before log 3 log 8.719 and 1/2 log 693. First of all, we will find the value of log. First of all, we find the value of log 23.60, log 8.710, log 693. To find the value of log, here 1/2 write as, here first of all we find the characteristic and then Mendesa. The characteristic is 1.23 के 6 में देखें और 0 के डिफरेंस में देखें, आपको वैल्यू वहाँ से मिलेगी. 23 के 6 में और 0 के 23 के 6 में देखें, 0 के डिफरेंस में नहीं है, तो 23 के 6 में आपके पास जो वैल्यू आई है 3729. नेक्स्ट 3 एज इट इज. लॉग 8 पॉइंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या पॉइंट फर्स्ट डिजिट के बाद पहले से मौजूद, तो 0.87 के 1 में देखना है. इग्नोर 87 के 1 में देगा 94, 9 के डिफरेंस में देखेंगे तो क्या आएगा 4. ऐड कर लीजिएगा 9404 माइनस 1/2. यहाँ पॉइंट कहीं नज़र नहीं आ रहा. 693 पॉइंट क्या है आखिर में 1 2. करेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है 2.69 के 3 में 8407. दोनों वैल्यूज़ क्या हो रही हैं डिवाइड कर लीजिए ऐसे. 0.68 2.65 मल्टीप्लाई करना है इन दोनों वैल्यू को 2.8212 इनको डिवाइड कीजिए, इन दोनों वैल्यू को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या वैल्यू मिलेगी 1.4204। नाउ एडिंग एंड सब्ट्रैक्टिंग बोथ वैल्यूज, बोथ अबव वैल्यूज दोनों प्लस हो रही हैं, दोनों को प्लस करेंगे और इसको माइनस करेंगे तो 2.0873। नाउ फाइंड द एंटीलॉग ऑफ दीज वैल्यूज 2.0873। तो 08 के 7 में और 3 के डिफरेंस में ये आएगी 222 + 1, ये वैल्यू आ गई। ठीक, पॉइंट कैसे लगेगा, पॉइंट से पहले क्या है 2 + 2, पॉइंट यहाँ होता है 1 के बाद 1 2 मीन्स 122 या 122.3, हियर इज द आंसर। तो होमवर्क के क्वेश्चन कौन कौन से होंगे, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेकर 10 तक आपने मुकम्मल करना है। वैसे तो वहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर जैसे आपने कंप्लीट करना होगा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेकर 10 तक 3.6 के आपने कंप्लीट कर लेने, इसी तरीके से मुकम्मल करना है होमवर्क के भी। होपफुली आज का लेक्चर आपको समझ आ गया होगा। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।